All right, you guys, question number 4 is a linear relationship. It's kind of something, it is something that I skipped in chapter 2 because you have done it so much. So let's see if you really do remember your linear equations. I know it's linear because it's $60 each year. So it's a flat rate. Every year it's the same. That's a linear relationship, right? It doesn't have to be year, but it's got to be the same rate. So what does that mean to me? Well, I know the form for a linear relationship is y equals mx plus b, where m, your slope, is your rate of change. In this relationship that I'm doing, my y is going to be the value of the chair. Okay? Oops, IR. My x is going to be, it's years, right? Rate in years. Years. Time in years. And then where does it start? My y-intercept is your starting value, right? And that's where we kind of have to do some problem solving in this one. So if the chair is worth now, it says, or in 2 years, the chair will be $650 in 2 years. And I know it's gaining $60 per year. Okay. So what does that mean? That means right now its starting value has to be 120 less than this, because in 2 years it'll be 650, but right now it's 120 less than that. Right now, and I got 120 by 60 times 2 years. Let's see, let's just subtract, so 530. So my starting value is going to be 530. Let me plug all these numbers in. Okay, so now I have y equals 60x plus 530. And it wants to know, it's a 5. It wants to know what the value will be in 10 years. You always have to be careful about figuring out what the question is actually asking. You could do a lot of correct math, but if you're not giving the right answer, you're not going to get it marked right. So it wants to know the value in 10 years. My x is years, so I plug in 10 for x. So y equals 60 times 10 plus 530. So this is 600. So it should be 1130. So my answer is, in 10 years, the value of the chair will be $1,130.